Adding a photo in your Indeed's resume is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add a photo in your Indeed resume. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, first of all, you need to have a resume. So if you have uploaded a PDF resume on Indeed, you need to edit it on a PDF editor. But usually whenever you do get a editable resume, it is in the docs form, which should be in a Word form. Now, suppose this is the image that I want to add. So I'm just going to say save this image, and then I'm just going to, show you how to add image. Now, suppose this is my resume and I want to add image. I'm here using Google Docs. You can use Microsoft Word as well. Now I'm just gonna simply drag and drop the image onto it and it should be here. But this format is not supported, so I'm just gonna download any other image quickly. So let me just download this one and it should be downloaded and I will do the same thing. Now, as you guys can see, the image is right here. You can actually cut it. So, however, you might have seen some of the resume contain the rounded or the circle images. You can actually use these free tools. There are a lot of free tools. Just search for round image cutter, and they will do the cutting for you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.